morning, dear students. Okay, formative exam prepare ആയല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Okay. From last class we learned about in the term of an arithmetic progression and its related questions. Okay. So continue this topic. Next question. All of you open your maths textbook. Page number 105, exercise 5.2. Page number 105, exercise 5.2. Question number 12. Question number 12. Question is two APs have the same common difference. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? What is the difference between their 1000th terms? And find out here. So here two APs are there. Two APs have same common difference. Okay, so two APs are there. Two APs have same common difference. Then what? Then the difference between the 100th term. So the difference between the 100th term of two APs is equal to, the result is equal to 100. We will find out the difference between the 1000 terms. Okay, so here two APs are here. First AP. Listen, first AP. But two APs are here. Okay, two APs have same common difference. Okay, common difference becomes same. So first AP, common difference. Common difference is equal to D. Common difference D. Clear? First tape. First AP first tape. Suppose first term is A. Okay, so same two APs have the same common difference. So first AP heading, common difference is denoted as D, and first term is A. Okay, so what are the given 100th term difference? Find out in the 1000 term difference. Okay, given 100th term difference is 100. First AP and second AP, the difference between their 100th term is 100. You have to find out the difference between the 1000 terms. Okay, so first you find out 100th term, A 100. First AP 100, A 100. What is the formula? A 100 find out in the formula. A n find out in the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. A 100 find out in the formula. Yes. Yes, എന്താണ് formula? A plus 99D. Clear? A 100, A plus 90. Then first AP. For first AP, find out the difference between their 1000 terms. Then also find out the 1000 term. Also find out 1000 term. A 1000. A 1000 is also find out. What is the formula? A 1000. A plus, yes, A plus 999D. Clear? So first AP over. Common difference is denoted as D, and first term is denoted as small a. Then 100th term is given. So A 100 is represented as formula A plus 99D. So A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then also find out the 1000 term difference. For find out 1000 term, A 1000 is equal to A plus 99D. Okay. Next, second AP. Second AP. So first is given two APs have the same common difference. Common difference same are. So two APs have the same common difference. So second AP common difference. Common difference is equal to D. Two APs have the same common difference. So first AP common difference D and second AP common difference is equal to D, because two APs have the same common difference. Okay. Next, first term. First term same? No. First term. So first term of second AP is A1. Represented as A1. Okay. First term of second AP, first term is not same. So common difference is same. First term is not same. So first term of first AP is A and first term of second AP is A1. So what is A100? A100, the common formula A plus 99D. So here what is A? Here A is A1. So A1 plus 99D. D same. So A1000. A1000 is equal to A plus 999D. So the first term is A1. So A1 plus 999D. Clear? Okay, all of you understand this? Two APs are given. The 100th term difference is given that 100. You have to find out 1000 term difference. First write down first AP, the common difference D. First term is represented denoted the symbol A. A100 is formula A plus 990. A1000 A plus 9990. Second AP, the common difference becomes same. So second AP common difference is equal to D, and first term is equal to first AP first term A, and second AP first term A1. So A100 A1 plus 990 and A1000 A1 plus 9990. Okay, clear? So given. So given 100th term difference. Alright? Given 100th term difference, so A plus 99D is the 100th term of first AP minus A1 plus 99D is equal to 100. Okay? Listen. Given that 100th term difference is 100. Given that 100th term difference is 100. So first AP the 100th term is A plus 99D. Second AP the 100th term is A1 plus 990. The difference is 100 given. Okay. So A plus 990 minus of, put a minus 2 terms put bracket. Minus of A1 plus 990 is equal to 100. So open bracket. So A plus 990 minus into A1 minus A1 minus into 990 minus 990 is equal to 100. Plus 990 minus 990 cancel. Plus 990 minus 990 cancel. Then A minus A1. A minus A1 is equal to 100. Marked as equation number 1. A minus A1 is equal to 100. Marked as equation number 1. Okay, find out the 1000th term difference. So, what is the 1000th term of first AP? A plus 1000th term difference. 1000th term difference. Term difference is equal to 1000th term difference is equal to first AP 1000 term A plus 999D minus of second AP 1000th term A1 plus 999D. That is equal to, bracket open, A plus 999D minus into A1 minus A1 minus into this minus 999D. Cancel. Plus 990 minus 990 cancel. Balance is A minus A1. What is A minus A1? A minus A1 is 100. A minus A1 is 100. So A minus A1 100. So 1000 term difference is equal to the same result 100. Okay? 100 term difference is 100 and 1000 term difference is 100. Clear? Okay, please listen. Two APs. First AP, the common difference become D and first term is denoted as small a. So given 100 term difference, so first you find out 100 term A plus 990 the formula. Next find out the 1000 term difference, then A1000 formula A plus 9990. Again second AP, the same common difference, two APs have the same common difference, so second AP the common difference is equal to D. So first term is different. So first term of first AP A and first term of second AP is A1. So the 100 term is A1 plus 990 and A1000 is A1 plus 9990. So given that 100 term difference is 100, that is A plus 990 minus of A1 plus 990 is equal to 100. First you open the bracket, plus 990 and minus 990 cancel, then A minus A1 is equal to 100. It is marked as equation number 1. Then find out 1000th term difference. The 1000th term of first AP A plus 9990 minus of second term 1000 term A1 plus 9990. So open the bracket. So A plus 990 minus A1 minus 9990. Plus 990 and minus 990 are cancelled. The balance is A minus A1. What is the result? 100. Reason from what? From equation 1. Okay, clear? Well, last you write down difference of 1000 times is equal to 100. Clear? Any doubt? Okay? Now next question. Okay, next question. Clear aane? Doubt illalo? Okay ana? Okay. Yes. Next question. Next, 13th question. 13th question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 13th question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? All of you know 3-digit numbers? 3-digit numbers starting from 100. Okay. 3-digit numbers are starting from 100. The last number become 999. Okay. So here, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? That is the question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? First you form a AP. First you form an AP. Okay. So 3-digit numbers form cheyadam. So that numbers are divisible by 7. So form an AP first. Okay. Listen. Here the 3-digit numbers starting 100, 100, 101, etc. Last 3-digit number 999. Okay, the 3-digit numbers starting from 100, 101, etc. to last number 99. These are the 3-digit numbers. So the question is not 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. That is the question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So what if first you find out the first term and then find out common difference, then find out last term. Okay? Then how many terms? How many numbers are there? 3-digit numbers are there divisible by 7. Okay? So first find out the first term A. So listen, ഒരു സ്പെഷ്യൽ ഫോമാറ്റ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ A find out ചെയ്യാൻ. നിങ്ങൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് 3-digit number ഏതാ? 100 ആണ്. So 100 divisible by 7 ആണ്. 7 കൊണ്ട് divide ചെയ്യുക. 100നെ 7 കൊണ്ട് divide ചെയ്യുക. Okay? How many times? 1 7s are 7. Remainder 3. 0. 4 7s are 28. Remainder 2. So next step is important. First you minus these two. 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? 5. That 5 is added to 100. That is the first term. 100 plus 5. 105 is the first term divisible by 7. You check. 105 is divisible by 7. Yes, 105 is divisible by 7. Remainder 0 ആണ്. 105 divided by 7. The remainder is 0. So the first number of the AP 105. These are 3-digit numbers. These are 3-digit numbers. 100, 101, 102, etc. These not an AP. Okay, these are AP. But in my question, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Divisible by 7. So here the first number of the AP is 105. It is a 3-digit number and it is also divisible by 7. Okay, clear? Then find out common difference D. So 7 is divisible. So each term is added 7. Okay, so common difference is same 7. Next find out the last number AN. Next find out last number. A special formula, last number find out. That is the last number of 3-digit number 999. 999 you divided by 7. Okay, first time find out the method you know. First time find out method. First find out 100 divided by 7. The remainder become 2. Then 7 minus 2, 5. That 5 is added to the 100. That is 105 is the first number of the AP. So common difference is 7 divisible. So the common difference is 7. Then find out last term. Last term is 999. 3-digit last number 999. So you divide it by 7. So 177. Remainder 2. Next 9. 4 7 28. Remainder 1. Again 9. How many times? 2 7s are 14. Remainder 5. Remainder 5. So here that 5 direct minus from this. That 5 direct minus. That is 999 minus the remainder 5. So what is the result? 499. So the last number 994. So the AP, the last term is 994 and the first term is 105 and the common difference is 7. You check, it is divisible by 7. Check. 177. Remainder 229. 4 7 28. Remainder 114. 2 7s are 14. Remainder 0. It is divisible. It is divisible by 7. So first term 105. It is a 3-digit number. It is also divisible by 7. It is a 3-digit number. It is also divisible by 7. Common difference d equal to 7. Find out how many numbers. How many numbers are divisible by 7? Find out how many numbers. So you have to find out the n. You have to find out n. Yes, n is equal to 994. What is the formula to find out n? A plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, clear? A plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 994. What is a? 105 plus n minus 1 into d7. d7 is equal to 994. That is n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 994 minus 105. So n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 9994 minus 105. 994 minus 105. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, 9. 8 minus 0, 8. Here 8, 7. Okay, clear? All of you know 4, 1, 14 minus 5, 9. 8 is here, 8 minus 0, 8. Here 8. Sorry, here 9. Sorry. Sorry, here 9, 9 minus 1, 8. The result is 8, 8, 9. 8, 8, 9. Okay? Next, n minus 1 is equal to 8, 8, 9 divided by 7. Clear? 8, 8, 9 divided by 7. Multiplication, right, division out. So n minus 1 is equal to how many times? 177. Here 177. Remainder 118. 2, 7. 14. Remainder for 49. 7, 7, 49 is equal to 127. So n is equal to 127 plus 1. That is equal to 128. So number of terms. How many terms are there? Yes, here 128 terms. Clear? 128 3-digit numbers are there. Total number of terms. Total number of 3-digit numbers is equal to 128. All of you know? Any doubt? Okay. You first time find out in the format. Last time find out in the format. Correct note here. Okay. First time find out in the format. And last time find out in the format. Very important question. Clear? Okay. Okay, next question. Yes, next question. Fourteenth question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Okay, last problem. 100 to 999. Multiple of 7. We find out for AP form. Here 10 and between 10 and 250 multiple of 4. Okay? Easy. First day A. First day find out n. All of you know the format. Okay, first 10 is divided by 4. 2 4s are 8, remainder 2. 2 4s are 8, remainder 2. Next step, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2, 2. That 2 is added to 10. That 2 is added to 10. 10 plus 2, that is 12 is the first 10. Clear? All of you know this? Yes. Common difference D. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. What is the common difference? Divisible by 7. Common difference 7. Multiple of 4. Common difference 4. 4 added 4. Okay, clear? So common difference D is equal to 4. Then next you find out AN. Last take. So AN. AN 250 divided by 4. Clearly 250 divided by 4. Here 6 4s are 24. Remainder 1. Next is 0. 2 4s are 8. Remainder 2. So this 2 is direct minus 250. 250 minus 2 is 248. So that is the nth term n. So check, it is multiple of 4 divided by 4. 6 4s are 28. 2 4s are 8. Yes, remainder 0. Clearly? So in the AP, first term is 12. Common difference is 4 and an is equal to 248. Here, find out how many multiples of 4? Like number of terms find out here. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Number of terms find out means n find out here. So an is equal to 248. An a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 248. What is a? 12 plus n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 into d4 is equal to 248. That is n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248 minus 12. What is 248 minus 12? 6, 3, 236. So n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 236. Then n minus 1 is equal to 236. Multiply in the right side, division out, divided by 4. So n minus 1 is equal to 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20, balance 3, 36. 9 4s are 36, so 59. So n minus 1 is equal to 59, then n is equal to 59 plus 1, that is equal to 60. Okay, therefore number of terms 60. All of you check please. Number of terms is equal to 60 terms. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. 60 terms. Clear? There are 60 terms. Next question. Next page number 103 example 7. Page number 103 example 7. Page number 103 example 7. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? 2-digit numbers starting from 10, 11, 12, etc. 99. That is 2-digit numbers. So how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Okay. First term A. Divisible by 3 ആണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ first term എങ്ങനെ find out? ആ ഫോമാറ്റ് എന്താണ്? 10നെ 3 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം. 10 divided by 3. How many times? 3 3s are 9, remainder 1. ഈ 3 ൽ നിന്ന് 1 minus 10. 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. That 2 is added to 10. That is the first term. That is 12. 12 3 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാലോ. Okay അല്ലേ? So 12. Next find out D. So how many 3 divisible by 3 ആണല്ലോ? Divisible by 3. So what is D? What is the common difference? 3. Yes, D equal to 3. Next find out AN. Last term. Last term find out, okay? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3 എന്നാണ്? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So last number 99 is divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 0, 9 3 3s are 9. The remainder 0. So last number direct minus. 99 minus 0, 99. Clear? Any doubt? No. Find out how many terms. Number of terms find out ചെയ്യണം. N find out ചെയ്യണം. Okay. So an is equal to 99. An expressed as a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 99. Clear? Then a 12 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99. N minus 1 into 3 equal to 99 minus 12. Clear alle? So n minus 1 into 3 is equal to, what is 99 minus 12? 99 minus 12. 7, 8. 87. Then n minus 1 is equal to 87 divided by 3. Clear? Multiplication or division out. So division of 1 3s are 3. Here 2 3s are 6. 2 27 9. So 29. So n minus 1 is equal to 29. Then n is equal to 29 plus 1 is equal to 30. Okay. So what is the answer? Total number of 2D numbers divisible by 3. 30. Clear? Any doubt? Doubt undo? Clear aane? Okay. So exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2 le 15th question. Okay, 15th question. For what value of n For what value of n are the nth term of two APs 63, 65, 67 etc. and 3, 10, 17 etc. are equal. Above two APs nth term are equal, you have to find out the value of n. Okay. Here, listen. So first AP 63, 65, 67 etc. 63, 65, 67 etc. First AP. So what is the first term? A is equal to 63. A is equal to 63. Common difference D is equal to 65 minus 63. The result is 2. Here alle. So given that nth term of the two APs are same. So find out the nth term. First find out nth term A. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. That is equal to A 63 plus n minus 1 into D. D 2. So 63 plus 2 കൊണ്ട് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 2 into n 2n 2 into minus 1 minus 2 2 കൊണ്ട് ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുന്നു 2 into n 2n 2 into minus 1 minus 2 63 minus 2 61 plus 2n. So first AP nth term. Next second AP 3, 10, 17 etc. 3, 10, 17 etc. is the second AP. A is equal to 3. First term equal to 3. Clear? Common difference is equal to 10 minus 3. That is equal to 7. Then find out an. Formula A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A. A is equal to A. A how much? 3 plus n minus 1 into D. D7. Clear? D7. So 3 plus 7 into n 7n. 7 into minus 1 minus 7. That is equal to 3 minus 7. What is 3 minus 7? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 7. Clear? So first AP, second AP. Given that two APs nth term are equal. Given that two APs nth term are equal. So next given first term nth term how much? 61 plus 2n is equal to second AP nth term minus 4 plus 7n. So given that two APs nth term are equal. Two APs nth term are equal. First you write first AP A D nth term. So then write second AP first term common difference nth term. Given that two APs nth term are equal, so 61 plus 2n is equal to minus 4 plus 7. Now 2n is here. 7n left here minus 7n is equal to minus 4 here. 61 right side minus 61. What is 2n minus 7n? Minus 5n. Okay, 2n minus 7n minus 5n. Minus 4 minus 61 minus 65. Both are minus. Minus 4 minus 61 minus 65. N is equal to minus 65. Multiply by division out divided by minus 5. How much? Minus divided by minus plus. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. Remainder 1 15 30. So question എന്താണ്? For what value of n? For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs are equal? So what value of n? N is equal to 30. Clear ആണോ? Okay. All of you know? Clear ആണോ നോക്കുക? N is equal to 30. Doubt ഉണ്ടോ? Clear? Okay. Doubt ഇല്ലല്ലോ? So listen, exam ആണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ മൺഡേ എക്സാം ആണ്. കറക്റ്റ് പഠിക്കുക. എല്ലാവർക്കും 20-20. ഓക്കെ, 20-20 തന്നെ മേടിക്കണം. ഫോർമേറ്റീവ് എക്സാം ആണ്. നിങ്ങൾ ഇന്റേണൽ മാർക്ക് ഞാൻ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. എല്ലാവരും സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ട് ഓരോ 2 ചാപ്റ്ററും തന്നേക്കുന്ന 2 ചാപ്റ്ററും വൃത്തിയാണ് പഠിക്കുക. എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റിനും എഴുതി പഠിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, ഫുൾ മാർക്ക് കിട്ടും. നിങ്ങൾ നല്ലോണം പഠിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, സാറ്റർഡേ സൺഡേ ഈ ഫ്രൈഡേ ഈവനിങ്ങൊക്കെ ഇരുന്ന് ഫുള്ള് പഠിക്കുക. മാത്സിന് ഈ കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൊടുക്കുക. കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് മാത്സിന് കൊടുത്ത്